The reason I didn't take it all off the table when it was up $2,200, as you guys saw, is because it still had a lot more room to go, which is down here around this 505.15-ish. Okay. So the idea behind that is it broke through here, it broke here, but it couldn't hold. If it would have held below the 200, I would have had my other 100 contracts, which was 50%. And then it would have pulled really hard, and then I would have shed as it got closer and closer and closer. Does that make sense? There was,
Yes, sir.
yeah, the risk to reward ratio was, they still had massive reward with minimal risk, because at this point, I already knew if it comes back to VWAP, I don't want to be there. And guess what? I bought those up here. So that's why you guys saw every trade was green, even when it came back above VWAP, right? And why did I think it was going down here? Because look at it, stair step down. See it? Stair step down perfectly. It got heavy, pulled below VWAP, pulled below the 200, couldn't hold, and then bounced right back. And now you guys can see this is where it had a bounce, right? This is where the strength came back in. Tesla continuing to climb. But anyways, that's the idea behind how I scalp, right? The mind of a professional day trader. You guys got to see how that worked. Non-VIP members, you especially need to check this out. You see this right here? You see this green line we have perfectly laid out in our 2-minute EWO indicators that you guys get for free as a VIP member? Look at where I saw the bounce. You see the green line? Support, resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance, resistance, broke through. Does everybody see this? This is included for free, by the way, with your VIP membership. Does everybody see this? Right? Because over here on Webull, I didn't have a line drawn out at 181. I did not have 181 drawn out at all. That was not a spot for me. Now, if you go back, obviously it was over here. So I would have said, hey, double bottom. But guess what? I saw it off my TradingView indicator way before I was over here dinking around on my Webull. It was just set up. I already had it, right? If you guys look at SPY, this was the downside. Guess what? Anything above this, isn't that bullish? Because if you guys look at this, this is the trend, right? So because it broke this trend right here to the upside, this is why you got the nice pop. Everybody see it? That's beautiful. And again, you just need to recognize these areas, right? Apple came down and retested 181. This is a retest. Guess what? If Apple can't hold, lights out.